Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to be talking about one of the most asked questions in the crypto space. And the question is, what is the safest exchange for buying Bitcoin? Now before I continue, I want to let you guys know that this video is purely for information and education purpose. I am not a financial advisor and nothing in this video should be considered as a financial advice. Crypto involves risk, so always make sure you do your research before using any crypto exchange out there for buying your bitcoins. Now before we jump into the video, if this is your first time on my channel, I make videos talking about online money making opportunities and also a bit of crypto. So if you love seeing videos just like this, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out anytime we upload another awesome videos just like this. So with that being said, let's jump right into the topic of today. Now when people think about crypto, they usually think about the price and they forget that security is more than price. If an exchange is not secure, it doesn't matter how cheap their fees are. A safe crypto exchange usually focuses on these four things, which is strong security, regulatory compliance, transparency, and protection of users' funds. These are the four things that a safe crypto exchange should usually have. So instead of asking which exchange is the cheapest, the best question is which exchange is the safest for beginners. Now before I name any platform, let's quickly talk about what safety actually means. Alright, so here are the main things you should always look for. Number one is regulatory compliance. A safe exchange usually follow the regulations in the countries they operate in. If you found any exchange that did not follow the local regulations of the country they are operating in, then it's more likely not to be safe, because when anything happens to your asset, you won't have any support from anywhere. So it's very important for you to look for this thing before choosing where to buy your Bitcoin. The second one is security features. So things like two-factor authentication, cold storage of phones, and account protection tools. These are some of the important security features you should look for. For example, a two-factor authentication is very good because it is an added layer of security after your password. So even if anyone have access to your account, they will not be able to easily take away your phones, because then they are going to be asked to provide the two-factor authentication, and if they cannot, you can be able to restore your account and get your full funds intact. Alright, so the third one to consider is the company history. So things like how long the company has been operating and has it been able to survive bear markets and major crypto crises. This is the kind of history you should check before buying on the platform. Alright, so the fourth one is transparency, and this includes clear policies, visible leadership, and public security practices. Now it is very important to know that no exchange is 100% risk-free, but some are clearly safer than others. Now let's talk about some of the most widely trusted crypto exchanges out there. Please know that I am not ranking them, and I'm not telling you to use any specific one. This is simply an overview. So the first one is Coinbase. Now Coinbase is one of the most beginner-friendly crypto exchange in the world, and the reason why people consider it safe is because of these things. They are publicly listed company, they have strong security standard, and a very simple user interface, which actually make it easier for a lot of beginners to start with. This exchange is often recommended for beginners because it focuses heavily on compliance and ease of use. Alright, so the second one is Binance. Now Binance is one of the largest crypto exchange in the world, and why people love it is because of advanced security systems. They have a wide range of tools and a strong infrastructure. However, the availability and features depend on the country you live in, so it is very important for you to check your local rules. Now before I mention the third and the last one, let's quickly talk about the sponsor of today's video, which is CoinX. Now CoinX is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that lets you send and receive cryptocurrencies from anywhere in the world. You can also trade, convert, buy and sell cryptocurrency on their P2P markets. The app is super easy to use. Just create an account, complete your verification, and you are ready to start buying, selling, or trading your favorite coins securely. You can get the app right now on Google Play Store and App Store. The app has been around since 2017. So download CoinX, verify your account, send and receive crypto from anywhere in the world. Don't forget to make your own research website before downloading the application. Alright, so the top crypto exchange often considered as a safe crypto exchange is called Kraken. Now, Kraken is known for its first security approach, and also they have long operating history. They focus on transparency and strong account protection features. Now, many users trust Kraken because it emphasizes on security over flashy marketing. So the fourth exchange is called Bybit. Now, Bybit is a well-known crypto exchange that many users use it for buying and managing cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. It has a modern and easy-to-use interface. It also has strong security features. It is popular with beginners and experienced users. Now, just like any other exchange, the availability and features actually depend on the country where you live. So it is important to check what actually applies to you. Remember, this is not a recommendation. It is simply an example of a platform people talk about when discussing crypto exchanges. Now, no matter which exchange you choose, make sure you avoid these 4 things. Never share your login details. Always enable two-factor authentication. Use a strong unique password, and be careful of fake website and phishing links because they are going to compromise your account. And most importantly, don't keep more crypto on an exchange than you are comfortable with. Alright, so when it comes to the safest exchange for buying and storing Bitcoin or other meme coins, there is no simple perfect answer. It depends on your location, your experience level, and of course how you use the platform. Like I said earlier, this video is only for information and education purposes. It does not guarantee safety, profit, or results. So if you found this video helpful, please take a second to subscribe if you want to see more educational contents just like this. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.